Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to sell your products in bulk to other businesses? In this video, I will show you exactly how to add wholesale functionality to your Shopify store. Step by step, no coding required. Wholesale means selling your products at discounted prices in bulk, often to resellers or business customers. Shopify doesn't have built-in wholesale features, but there are three main ways to add them. Use discount codes, create a separate wholesale store, use a wholesale app for the Shopify App Store, which is we will focus on today. Now go to Shopify App Store from Add App section, scroll down and select Shopify App Store and search for wholesale. Some popular options include Wholesale Club, Wholesale Club, or Wholesale Gorilla, or B2B Wholesale Solution. Choose an app based on your needs and budget. Click Wholesale Gorilla, then install it. Then follow the process, approve permissions, and click again install. And let's dive into setup. Once installed, you will create wholesale customer groups. These are buyers who will see lower prices than regular customers. Tag customers as wholesale and then assign custom prices to products or collections just for them. Some apps let you set quantity based discounts too, like 10% off for 20 plus items. You can customize what wholesale customers see. Some apps allow you to hide retail prices, add minimum order requirements, create a password protected wholesale page. This helps keep your retail and wholesale business separate while using the same Shopify store. Wholesale orders go through your regular Shopify order dashboard. You can manually approve customers, track bulk orders, and even offer special payment terms. Some apps offer net 30 payment option or allow invoices instead of instant checkout. So select pick a plan from here, like light, advanced, then go to pricing and discounts or customer and access. Select one from here. You can choose another app from here, like B2B and wholesale solution. Then click install. You can view the demo store. Just look like that. Then click install. Open the B2B app. Or if you are using Wholesale Gorilla, follow the payment process and set it your own. From BSS B2B solution, confirm your email, then click skip or next and finish. From here, you can choose a pricing plan like that. Essentials for starts for $25 per month, advanced for $50 per month, platinum $100 per month. All features of auto tags, basic features of registration forms, basic features of quantity break, lifetime support on essential plans. From customer management section, you can configure the registration form, then order management. You can add order from here, like order limits, orders custom fields. You can configure all in one place. Then click discount and choose a plan from here, like advanced, and follow the payment process. You can add credit or debit card, enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV code, then first and last name, address, etc. Or you can also payment with PayPal. Just click pay with PayPal and follow the process, like enter your email and password, login for login to your PayPal account, then enter your email, and that's it. Here are a few tips to make your wholesale business smooth. Add a wholesale request form to vet new B2B customers. Use email flows to welcome on onboard wholesale clients or bulk shipping rates using apps like advanced shipping rules. And that's it. You have now got wholesale functionality on your Shopify store. Whether you are selling to small boutiques or big distributors, this setup can grow your business fast. Like this tutorial, hit subscribe for more Shopify guides and comment below if you want a full walkthrough on the best wholesale apps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.